If you're considering a door replacement in Sumter, South Carolina, you're in for an exciting upgrade to both the function and aesthetics of your home. Whether it's to improve your home's security, enhance its curb appeal, or simply replace an outdated or damaged door, understanding the process can help ensure the experience is smooth and stress-free. Here's a closer look at what to expect when replacing a door in your Sumter home. Initial consultation and estimate. The process of replacing a door begins with an initial consultation. A professional door installer will visit your home to assess your current door and discuss your goals for the new one. During this time, they will measure the existing doorway to ensure the new door will fit perfectly. Whether you're upgrading to a more energy-efficient model, installing a custom design, or replacing a broken entryway, your contractor will help guide you through your options based on your needs, preferences, and budget. You'll also receive an estimate that breaks down the cost of the door, labor, and any additional materials. Make sure to ask questions about the materials and brands available, as well as about the lifespan and maintenance of the door you're choosing. In Sumter, where the climate can be humid and rainy, it's especially important to consider weather-resistant options such as fiberglass or steel, which are highly durable and require less maintenance than wood doors. Choosing the right door for your home. Once you've discussed your preferences and budget, the next step is choosing the perfect door for your home. Homeowners often have a variety of choices, from front doors that make a bold statement to sliding glass doors that provide access to patios and backyards. Some common types of doors include entry doors, typically used for the front of the house. These doors come in various materials like wood, fiberglass, or steel. They can be customized with side lights, decorative glass, or unique hardware to match your home's architectural style. Patio doors. If you're looking for more natural light and easy access to outdoor spaces, patio doors are a popular choice. French doors and sliding glass doors are two common types, offering convenience and a beautiful view of your backyard. Interior doors. These are often replaced during home renovations to create a more cohesive look between rooms. They come in a wide variety of styles, from traditional panel doors to sleek modern designs. In Sumter's diverse climate, it's also wise to consider energy-efficient doors that help regulate indoor temperatures and lower energy bills. A professional installer will be able to offer options suited to the specific needs of your home. Preparation and installation day. On the day of installation, the work crew will arrive with all the necessary tools and equipment. Expect some noise and disruption as they remove the old door and frame. In many cases, replacing a door also involves removing the old hardware, door frame, and sometimes the surrounding trim, depending on the condition of your current setup. The contractor will take extra care to protect your floors and surrounding furniture to prevent any damage during the installation. You may need to move personal items from the area before work begins to help things go smoothly. The installation itself can take anywhere from a few hours to a full day, depending on the complexity of the door, the materials involved, and whether any structural adjustments are required. During the installation, Your contractor will make sure the new door is properly aligned, secure, and sealed to ensure optimal performance. Proper weatherproofing is key, especially in Sumter, where humidity and rain can lead to wood warping and energy loss if doors aren't sealed correctly. Final walkthrough and cleanup. Once the door is installed, the contractor will do a final walkthrough with you to ensure everything meets your expectations. This is the time to check that the door opens and closes smoothly, and that there are no gaps or leaks. They will also explain how to maintain your new door, including tips on cleaning and ensuring its longevity. After the walkthrough, the crew will clean up the work area. This includes removing any old materials, packaging, or debris from the installation. A reputable contractor will leave your space as clean as they found it, ensuring that you can immediately start enjoying your new door without the hassle of leftover mess. Post-installation care and warranty. Many door replacement companies offer warranties on their products and workmanship. Be sure to ask about any warranties or guarantees that come with your new door. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that you have support if any issues arise in the future. Additionally, if you live in Sumter, consider the long-term benefits of your new door. A high-quality door can improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and provide additional security for years to come. Conclusion. Replacing a door in your Sumter home is an exciting home improvement project that can significantly boost your home's value, comfort, and style. From selecting the right door to professional installation and maintenance tips, understanding the process ensures that your experience is seamless and enjoyable. By working with a reputable installer, you can expect a smooth transition to a new, functional, and beautiful door.